is Jennifer, preschool specialist with the Bloomington Parks and Recreation Department's Banneker Community Center. Today I'd like to share a craft activity where we'll make our own dinosaur to go along with the songs and rhymes about dinosaurs from Monday's video. You'll need a paper plate, a cardboard roll, scissors, some paint, a paintbrush, a stapler, and a marker. Thanks for joining me today. Check back tomorrow for Baby Time rhymes and songs for babies and toddlers.